Welcome to Flooring Doctor's step-by-step guide on applying epoxy flooring. In this video, we'll walk you through the preparation, application, repairing crack, and top coat is processed to achieve a durable and aesthetically pleasing floor. Step 1. Prepare the surface. Clean the floor thoroughly, degrease if necessary, and repair any cracks or holes. Ensure the floor is dry and free of debris. Visuals of mixing epoxy resin and hardener appear on screen. Step 2. Mix Flooring Doctor high-quality epoxy resin and hardener according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure thorough mixing to avoid streaks. Step 3. Apply the top coat. Use a roller for large areas and a brush for edges and corners. Work in small sections to ensure even application. Step 4. Apply a finish coat if necessary. Follow the same application process as the base coat. Step 5. Allow the epoxy to cure. Follow the manufacturer's recommended curing time, usually 24 to 72 hours. Closing shot of a beautifully finished epoxy floor appears on screen. And that's it. With Flooring Doctor high-quality epoxy flooring products and these simple steps, you can achieve a durable and aesthetically pleasing floor. Remember to follow safety precautions and manufacturer's instructions for a successful application. Flooring Doctor, bonding excellence, one floor at a time. Your logo and tagline appear on screen. For more information, expert advice, and top quality flooring solutions, please contact us. https://flooringdoctor.in 9840195770 sales@flooringdoctor.in. Thank you for watching.